So check this place out. At exactly this time last year, fires were raging through this area. Now look how green the vegetation is. The forest has actually recovered quite well. And we're going to be heading up this road because it's not that dangerous, Richard. Although he believes that I've put his life at imminent danger. Don't know why. Yeah, well, okay, it was a pretty shitty ride up. So anyway,
Adam,
yes,
let me get to the vertical cliffs. Enjoy the view.
only 150 meters and he's already complaining, you know, because of his foot and all that sort of stuff.
I'm a double pulmonary.
Go on, move on. God, look at that. Holy shite. Wow. Oh yeah. Holy shit. Oh my God, that is insane. That is truly epic. Wow.
And just to let you know, there's a 200-meter cliff drop directly in front of us. Like vertical.
Wow. What's your view on this one, Richie?
It's okay.
Look at that.
Adequate.
Oh, I want to do a time lapse from here. That's pretty epic. Wow. All right, let's set ourselves up here and see how we go. Lord, look at this lookout. Another absolutely stunning lookout. Wow, that is glorious. I don't know which one I like better.
Minute to go.
Yeah. Oh, sorry, who's doing the recording here?
Me.
You want me to hang up? I mean, stop.
No, you can keep recording.
Okay, I will.
You can keep recording if you want, but I'm going to record you recording.
Right.
This is pretty.
This is very
Do
pretty.
you like this one better or the other? I like this one.
I like this one.
I like this one better because it's got
It's amazing. Wow.